Welcome to Ashford Hall. Nestled in the rolling green hills of Surrey, just a short helicopter ride from London's iconic Battersea Heliport, this £205 million estate redefines luxury, with sprawling 40,000 square feet of exquisite living, stunning landscaped gardens, and its very own private helipad. Step inside to discover the perfect blend of classic British elegance and cutting-edge modern design. From grand marble foyers to state-of-the-art entertainment suites, whether arriving by car or helicopter, Ashford Hall offers unparalleled privacy, comfort, and style, a true sanctuary in the heart of the English countryside. Imagine mornings filled with light, evenings by the fireplace, and weekends entertaining under the stars. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more ultra-luxury home tour, and share with someone who needs to see this futuristic masterpiece. The future of real estate is here, and this is just the beginning.